Hey, it's Benjamin from Mouthpiece Interactive, where we help small business owners save time and make more money so they can do more of what they like to do. And what we're going to be talking about today is Kartra, and specifically the affiliate section and affiliate capabilities within Kartra. Now, if you're not familiar with what an affiliate program is, basically you're giving the ability to other people to help you sell your products and services in exchange for a commission of what they're selling. And so with Kartra, what's so cool about this is that typically with a CRM program, it's not built in. You have to go find a separate product or service that allows you to integrate with your CRM program so you can offer that sort of commission structure to other people. With Kartra, it's built in. So here we are. It's all the way down here on the left side of the menu. It says My Affiliate Promos, and this is a fairly new account, so we haven't built one into an affiliate program. We haven't built one into this one yet. Instead, what we're going to do today is take a look at the marketplace. Now, what Kartra has built is, and you've seen this in other places, you can find affiliate marketplaces for all sorts of different products and services, but Kartra has built one where only Kartra products and account owners can list their products and services within their marketplace. So let's say you wanted to, and you're a business owner, so obviously you're probably more interested in creating your own products and services. But as just an exercise to see what they're doing, let's take a look here. So as you can see, we have all sorts of different products and services. We have each one of these squares represents a different product or service offered by a different Kartra user. And let's take a quick look at what some of these little bits mean. So you can see here's a thumbnail to go with the product. Here is what the product costs. It's 67 bucks USD. And then over here on the right, we have the affiliate commission, which is 50%. Now, if you keep going, and that'd be whatever 50% is of 67 bucks, that's roughly $34, something like that. But if you go down here, what's nice about Kartra is you can create recurring billing products. So instead of just $37 one time, it's $37 each month. And as an affiliate, if you're promoting it, you're making that 20% on $37 each month, which we can see if we bring our calculator onto the screen. $37 times 0.2 equals that. And let's say they stay on for 24 months. You make 180 bucks just by promoting this and having somebody buy it. Now, let's say we go over here and look at this one. Here's one. It's just a one-time payment, but instead of $37, we have $3,997. So if we type in 3,997 times the affiliate commission, which you can see is 20%, you would make 800 bucks if you were to promote this product and sell it and actually make sales. Each one would be almost $800, of course, minus the cost of the ads you're running, the email list you bought, so on and so forth. But assuming you can do that for far less than you're making a profit. And that's what's great about affiliate programs, because you're making money and they're making money. And you're specializing in bringing them traffic. They're specializing in actually creating a product or service. So let's talk about how to do this. So I've selected one that I think looks pretty good. This is one called E-Covermaker. It's on sale for $67. And as an affiliate, you would make 50% of that. So that's roughly 33, 34 bucks. You think, okay, that's not bad. So I'm going to go ahead and look further into it. Now, an E-Covermaker, this is basically a product that will create images to look like real books and DVDs and that sort of thing. It helps in selling products to make it look like, even if it's a digital product, make it look like it's a physical product. So you have two options when you click on these three dots here. One is to visit the sales page. The other is to become an affiliate. So if we visit the sales page, this is what it looks like. We go to the top here. You have your headline, you have your logo, you have a quick video on what it looks like, and then some images, some instructions. And this is, if you've never seen one before, this is a sales page. Sometimes there are videos on here, but this is basically, and Kartra does a lot of this, by the way. This is what one looks like. And so let's say you want to sign up for this. You would go to become an affiliate, and then you would go through the process. Now, this varies depending on what the creator of the product has specified, what kind of information they want. Sometimes they want your name, they want your email, phone number, whatever. But this one, they actually made it pretty easy. You just click that button and you're signed up. And you can see over here, if we go to, again, my affiliate promos, and then instead of marketplace, we go to promotions. Here is the E-Covermaker, and this is, if you were promoting this product, you would see here are all your sales, and then if it's a rebilling product that charges you each month, here's how many rebills have gone through and how much you've actually made in actual currency, in this case dollars, and then the percentage of the affiliate commission. And then what's cool about this too is that you can create a joint venture structure where, let's say you have friends who would be interested in promoting this. You've already signed up as an affiliate. You didn't create it, you're promoting it as an affiliate. But then you get your buddies to sign up under you. For every product, every E-Covermaker they sell, you get 10% under this joint venture commission structure. And then you would go over here to my link to get the link that you would want to use in your ads that you would run wherever you'd run it. And just for the record, I'm not necessarily recommending you promote this product or any of these. I'm just showing you for example's sake on how to do it. So that's the general gist of the affiliate promo section within Kartra. It's for just having it built into the system. It's really robust. It gives you a lot of information and shows you not only how to promote other products, but how to build your own affiliate program and have people promoting it for you, which just brings in additional sales in exchange for any size commission you deem appropriate. So if this is something that you're interested in learning more about, feel free to go over to mouthpieceinteractive.com, send us a note. We can show you a little bit more about how to use it or even help you set it up if you like. In the meantime, please like and subscribe to our channel. We offer all kinds of information for small business owners, again, to save time and make more money so you can do more of what you want to do.